Alright, here's a question for you. How helpful would it be if you could not only keep your dermatoscope on you at all times throughout the workday, but more importantly, to be able to quickly detach it and then just as quickly reattach it as we see here? Or perhaps a lanyard isn't your style, and you'd prefer to carry it on your belt. So how about something like this? Again, just reach for it, gently pull, and when you're done, without even looking, quickly reattach it. The secret to doing this is found in these very strong neodymium quick-release magnets. If you've never seen or held a neodymium magnet before, you'll just have to trust me that these things are strong. To use them with a dermatoscope, first it depends on whether or not your dermatoscope includes a connection point, such as we see here on this silicone sleeve. If it doesn't, or you just don't want to stress the silicone, then these adhesive lanyard patches can be used. On a larger dermatoscope, like the DL200, you can simply place them underneath the silicone protector, or on a smaller dermatoscope like the GL, you could even trim it down before applying it. And then just connect one half of the quick release to your dermatoscope and the other half to either a lanyard or a carabiner. And there you have it, a quick connect, quick release method of carrying your dermatoscope on you. Now, as cool as these are, at least in my opinion, the ideal use for this would be to carry around a smaller or lighter dermatoscope, like the DL100, Carbon, or GL. But if you do have one of the larger dermatoscopes, and you really like the magnetic quick connect concept, and the only thing stopping you from considering it would be any concerns that you have about the strength of these magnets, keep in mind that you can also double up the magnets as well. Again, these things are pretty strong and one is typically enough. But if you are really active, prone to bumping into things, or you simply want the peace of mind, just double up the magnets. So to order yours or to just learn more, visit our website at dermatoscopes.com.